In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a report that focuses on the data you care about and pulls in related information for deeper insights. Start from your Zoho CRM homepage and head to the Reports area. Here, select Create Report. This opens the report builder, and the first decision you'll make is the primary module. Think of the primary module as the main table your report is built on. Click the selector and choose Leads for this example, then hit Continue. Next, you'll see options to relate other modules. Click the plus sign on the Parent Module section to add a related module that has a direct relationship to Leads. Open the drop-down and choose Accounts, specifically the Converted Account option as an example. This lets your report connect a lead with the account it eventually became. Now, add a Child module. Click the plus sign under Child module, open the drop-down, and select Campaign Members, Leads, Campaigns. This will allow the report to include campaign engagement linked to each lead. You'll now see exclusive and inclusive options for how this relationship behaves. Exclusive means only show leads that are specifically tied to the selected child relationship. In this case, only leads that are campaign members. Inclusive means show all leads, whether or not they're associated with that campaign relationship. Pick the option that matches your analysis need, then click Done and Continue. In the layout, go to Columns. This is where you decide which fields appear in your report. Use this area to include the essentials for your analysis, things like lead name, status, source, converted account, and key campaign fields, so your team can read and act on the results quickly. Keep it focused. Too many columns can make the report harder to scan. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give your report a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. If it helps your team, add a brief description explaining what the report includes and when to use it. Next, choose the folder where you want this report to live. Open the folder drop-down and select Lead Reports for this example, so it's grouped with reports on similar data. Click Save to finalize. That's it, your custom report is ready to run and share. Remember to revisit columns or the module relationships whenever your reporting needs evolve. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.